Robotic arms lift the massive mineral bones carefully. They are placed into sealed stainless steel holding bins.
As crushed bone chunks arrive on the conveyor, magnetic separators activate. Chunks are fed into high-speed rotary mills. Steel grinding plates convert the material into a coarse.
As crushed bone chunks arrive on the conveyor, magnetic separators activate. Any metal contamination is instant.
फाइन पाउडर न्यूमेटिक एयर क्लासिफायर्स में ब्लो किया जाता है। हैवी पार्टिकल्स नीचे गिर जाती हैं, अल्ट्रा फाइन पाउडर ऊपर कलेक्ट होता है।
Anvils. Refined powder passes through a low-temperature sterilization dryer. Remaining moisture is completely removed.
ऑटोमेटिक सैम्पलर्स पाउडर का स्मॉल पोर्शन लेबोरेटरी भेजते हैं। टेक्नीशियंस पार्टिकल साइज, प्योरिटी और कैल्शियम कंटेंट
The powder falls slowly and evenly into the gel under controlled dosing, forming the cleaning base of the toothpaste.
Cooling jackets around the mixer activate to regulate heat. Paste temperature stays with safe processing.
Fluoride solution enters first at a controlled rate, mixed gently with the base gel. Next, herbal extracts and flavoring agents are introduced one by one.
Ingredients move through dedicated food-grade pipelines into the vacuum mixer containing the base gel. Automated flow regulators control dosage for every batch.
Once dosing and homogenization are complete, the batch is sealed and prepared for flavor addition. Blended gel flows into holding tanks for short stabilization. Internal circulation ensures homogeneous. After flavor blending, gel is pumped through sterile pipelines toward aging or stabilization tanks.
Final inline sensors measure flavor consistency, pH, viscosity, and density. Digital alerts confirm all values are within specification.
Tanks are hermetically sealed to prevent contamination and contamination.
Internal agitators rotate slowly to circulate the gel uniformly. This prevents settling of thickener particles and ensures even distribution of flavors.
A vacuum system periodically extracts trapped air bubbles. Negative pressure ensures dense, bubble-free gel.
Approved gel Stalex careless manufacture through.
Fluoride solution is stored in sealed, temperature-controlled tanks. Automated dosing pumps inject
Calcium carbonate or hydrated silica is added via automated hoppers into the gel stream.
High shear mixers blend the gel with all active ingredients at controlled speed. The paste becomes smooth, uniform, and ready for filling.
Precision filling nozzles inject exact measured amounts of toothpaste into each real Colgate tube. Flow is steady,